name's Beth Berthold, and I'm the Landscape and Greenhouse Management Instructor at the Lorain County JVS. In Landscape and Greenhouse Management, in their junior year, students will learn the basics on how to operate equipment such as the gator, zero-turn mowers, push mowers, rototillers, and skid steers, along with the basics of plant propagation, hydroponics, aeroponics, and floral design. In student senior year, they will take what they are interested in and build on that. So for instance, if they like floral design, they will do a lot of floral design. In the spring and in the Christmas season, we run a greenhouse and we sell plants to the public. And in the springtime, we sell things like hanging baskets, annuals, and perennials to the public. We help take care of the school grounds. We're not in charge of them, but we help take care of the school grounds. So we'll mow grass, we'll mulch beds, we'll pull weeds, we'll take care of things like trimming shrubs and other items to beautify the school. The seniors are in charge of the towers usually, and those are the aeroponic towers as well as the aquaponic beds. So they'll grow the plants for that and they'll take care of it. They'll measure for things like pH and other chemicals that are in the water to make sure everything's good to keep the fish alive and to keep the plants healthy and growing. We also have 2 drones, which are amazing for many purposes in agriculture as well as horticulture. Those allow my students to go and look at the different things from an aerial perspective, so we can do things like design landscapes from above. It's a great experience for them, so they can take that in the future and actually be a pilot if they decide they want to. We work with many local companies. We are blessed to be in Lorain County, and in Lorain County there is so many horticultural careers available, and job market is great. Some of the big ones you have heard of is Brian Kyle's Landscaping. We have Pandy's, Petites, we have Willoway, which was one of the 50 largest in the United States. I don't know if you guys knew that. And also we have Green Circle Growers right down the road. After graduation, students have many opportunities for further education that is local to us. Lorain County Community College is a great one. Ohio State ATI, which is in Worcester, are the 2 most popular that my students go to. Those ones have some college credits if my students get certain grades on their statewide tests. And also through Kent State, we have some articulated credit that students can come in with some credits already towards their graduation in their college degree.
My name is Victoria Sprague. I am a senior in Landscape and Greenhouse Management, and I was a summer intern at Willoway Nurseries in Avon. My JVS program prepared me a lot with the greenhouse aspect. I worked outside and inside, so the first couple months I worked outside with a bunch of different types of hydrangeas. I don't know if you knew this, but there are actually 20 different types of hydrangeas that we helped move to different greenhouses to prepare for winter. So we actually moved a separated house of hydrangeas, which had maybe 100, to a smaller greenhouse, so that way we could house more for the winter, so that way they were tightly grouped and we can sell them next year. Then inside I did propagation, so I took cuttings of different hydrangeas or vine plants and then propagated those for the start, and we will sell those years in the future. I am interested right now in going to LCCC for the start and then hopefully moving on to Hawken College.